Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Bhavna Bharadwaj and welcome to Divine Miracles. Today I'm going to share with you all a very beautiful story which is shared by my angel uncle. This is what I call him. So I'm going to quickly read this story word by word, and then in the end we will see that what beautiful message it is delivering. So the title of the story is I Am in the Next Compartment, and it starts like this: that every year a young Krishna's parents took him to his grandmother's house for the summer break, and they would return home on the same train after 2 weeks. Then one day, Krishna tells his parents, "I'm grown up now. What if I go to grandmother's home all alone this year?" After a brief discussion, parents agreed. They are standing on the train station, greeting him, giving him last tips through the window, as Krishna continues to repeat, "I know you have already told me this so many times." Train is about to leave and father whispers, "My son, if suddenly you feel bad or scared, this is for you." And he slips something into his pocket. Now the boy is all alone, sitting on the train without his parents for the very first time. He looks at the scenery through the window that scrolls. Around him, strangers hustle, make noise, enter and exit the compartment, and he gets the feeling that he is all alone. The person gives him even a sad look. So this makes the boy more uncomfortable. And now he starts getting scared. His stomach starts hurting, and his heart starts to pump a little faster, as if it is trying to match the speed of the train. He lowers his head, snuggles into the corner of the seat, and tears starts to fall down. At that point, he remembers his father putting something into his pocket. With trembling hands, he seeks to take that piece of paper out, opens it, and it's written, "Son, don't worry. I am in the next compartment." A smile ray of confidence and unimagined wave of hope rises in his face, and his head is lifted high with broad smile, with super confidence, and he becomes very comfortable among the strangers. So what is the reflection of the story? This is how it is in our life also. When the God sent us to this world all by ourselves, when our soul decided to come on this earth, even our soul has put that slip in our pocket. The God has put that slip in our pocket, and it is written, "I am traveling with you." So you're never alone. So don't panic. Don't be depressed, because more you get panic, more you're depressed, it is going to lower your physical vibrations, your energies, your physical health, mental health, everything will be affected. Right? So in these uncertain times where the world is fighting to survive, there is someone in the other compartment for you, and you could be in a compartment that someone is banking on. So trust him, have faith on him, that God is always with us throughout this journey. We are never alone, we are never left alone, and that's the truth. That is the highest truth, that if you start connecting to your soul, because you and your soul are one package. So once you start connecting to your soul, everything that you need will come to you effortlessly. Everything, be it physical, emotional, mental, spiritual, financial, whatever you're wanting to have in your life, it will be given to you. But just you have to develop that trust, you have to develop that faith, that yes, you are not alone, the soul is there with you, the God is there with you, the divine is there with you, and that's the ultimate truth. That is the highest truth, right? So quickly I'll give you the download. If you say yes, I will ask Creator to download this energy into you now. So would you like to know through Creator, through the definition, perspective, and highest truth of the Creator, of knowing that how to open yourself now to have that trust, to have that faith on Creator, on divine, and on your soul, that you are never alone, you're always supported, you're always guided, you're always protected. Would you like to know what it feels like to have this understanding, this knowledge, and this wisdom in your life now? Would you like to know you're allowed to have this? You're ready for it. It is safe for you. It is possible for you, and you're worthy and deserving for this. And if you say yes, I will ask Creator to teach you this easily and effortlessly in the highest and best way, for your highest and best. I know that it is difficult time for many of us, and somewhere our trust is getting shaken, our faith is getting loosened, like we are losing the faith and trust on ourselves, on our lives, on divine. We are questioning God, what is happening, why it is happening. But still, just maintain that energy, just hold on, and everything will be fine. Everything will be fine. So with this understanding, with this beautiful knowledge, I leave you with this understanding, and would also request you if you can share this with other people, who are going through the difficult time, who are going through the darkness, who are going through hard times right now. They just need that little spark. They just need that little ray of light where they can see that yes, they are supported. They're never alone. They're never left out. That's it. Right? Take care. Bye.